A new dream, a new identity, a new era of American muscle. This is the Lexus LX 600, where raw power meets modern precision. The future doesn't just arrive, it roars. Watch this video till the end, because what's coming next might just surprise you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Gearstorm, where we bring the heat to the world of cars. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Lexus LX 600. This isn't just a luxury SUV, this is Lexus flexing its muscles, fine-tuning what was already a solid beast, and bringing even more style, capability, and sophistication to the table. So buckle up, because we're about to break it down from bumper to bumper. Let's start at the front, where Lexus makes a bold first impression. The 2026 LX 600 keeps its massive, signature spindle grille, but it's been refined, more integrated, slightly slimmer, and now featuring a 3D mesh pattern that looks like it belongs on a concept car. Flanking it are sleek, triple-beam LED headlamps with adaptive high-beam technology. The new daytime running lights are sharper and the front fascia is more sculpted, giving the LX a confident, commanding road presence. Even parked, this thing looks like it's in motion. The hood is more contoured, giving it a muscular vibe. That sets the tone for what's under the skin. Now, around to the side, you'll notice the proportions are just right. Lexus nailed the stance here. It rides high with up to 22-inch wheels, depending on the trim, and the lines are clean, purposeful. There's less chrome this time around, more body-colored accents and blacked-out elements on certain packages. It feels less flashy, more modern. The fenders are pronounced, the mirrors are sculpted with integrated cameras for the 360-degree view, and there's a strong beltline that gives it a planted look. It still rides on the GAIF platform, meaning it's body-on-frame, but it's lighter and stiffer than ever, which you'll definitely feel when you drive it. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a first-class lounge. The interior of the 2026 LX 600 is where Lexus absolutely crushes the competition. Materials are top-shelf, soft leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim that doesn't feel like cheap plastic. There's a real sense of craftsmanship here. The dashboard layout is cleaner this year with a dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch upper touchscreen for navigation and media, and a lower 7-inch screen for climate and off-road controls. Thankfully, Lexus listened to feedback. We still get physical. Knobs for volume and temperature. That's a win. Swing around to the rear, and you'll see where Lexus has really modernized the LX. Gone is the old-school, blocky tailgate look. Now you've got a full-width LED light bar with the Lexus wordmark stretched across the center. No more L logo here. The rear is smoother, more premium, with a subtle integrated spoiler and a cleaner bumper design. It feels upscale, but not trying too hard. And yes, the tailgate is still split, top section power lifts, bottom section folds down, which is great for tailgating or loading up gear. The seats are supremely comfortable, wide, well-bolstered, and now with better massage functions. The ultra-luxury trim transforms the second row into a true executive suite, with 2 individual reclining seats, an ottoman, and a rear touchscreen to control everything from climate to audio. Third row seating is still a bit tight for adults, but for kids or short trips, it gets the job done. And yes, the rear rows can fold flat for a massive cargo area. Under the hood, the 2026 LX 600 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, putting out 409 horsepower and 479 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and together they deliver smooth, confident acceleration. Don't let the V6 fool you. This thing moves. 0 to 60 comes in around 6.1 seconds, which is impressive for something this size. Towing capacity is strong too, rated up to 8,000 pounds, making it more than capable for hauling boats, trailers, or anything your weekend demands. The drive experience is where Lexus made real gains. The suspension system, especially with the adaptive variable suspension and active height control, makes the LX feel planted on pavement and confident off it. It can raise or lower itself depending on the terrain or drive mode. Off-road. It's still a beast with crawl control, multiple terrain modes, and a locking center differential. This isn't just a mall crawler, it can go where the pavement ends and still keep you comfortable. As for tech, you're getting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Mark Levinson 25-speaker surround sound system in higher trims, and of course, Lexus' full suite of safety systems. Lane keep assist, radar cruise, blind spot monitoring, all standard. It's fully loaded in all the right ways. Now let's talk pricing. The base LX 600 starts at around $92,000. Move up to the Premium, F-Sport handling, or luxury trims, and you'll cross the $100,000 mark. The ultra luxury, with all the bells and whistles, touches $130,000. It's not cheap, but you're getting flagship level refinement, bulletproof reliability, and real off-road capability all in one package. So, final thoughts. The 2026 Lexus LX 600 isn't just an update. It's a statement. Lexus took what people loved about the LX, the durability, the comfort, the prestige, and brought it fully into the modern era. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that can handle the trails and still pull up to a 5-star hotel with presence, this is it. That's a wrap on today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Gearstorm, and drop a comment on what you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay driven.